Hi guys, welcome to my account. In today's video I'm gonna show you how you can get all your emails from your different Google accounts delivered or forwarded into your one Google account inbox. So let's get ready for that. Okay guys, so let's say you have two Google accounts, 3, 4 or 5 Google accounts. You are able to send all the emails sent from anywhere else to your Google accounts. You can send them to one Google account because it's hard to log into all of those 5 Google accounts at the same time. You always have your main Google account where you logged in. So let's say this is your main Google account and you have account B, account C, so you can set it up to forward all the emails from here to Google account A, which is main Google account. So we're gonna set up this Google account to send all the emails received here to forward them to Google account A. Let's go ahead. This is how we're gonna do it. You're gonna come to this gear and click on it, and then you're gonna come to see all settings, and then you're gonna come to forward email, forwarding and pop IMAP, and then add forwarding address here. I'm gonna put the email address, this one here, because it's a receiver. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Okay, I'm gonna put it here, and yes. After this, I'm gonna click on next. It's already okay. So I'm gonna try to put this email here and see when I click next, it's gonna send me a security code, and I'm gonna press on it. This is allowing me to have my account secured. If you didn't do it, you can do it. Now they're gonna send me this link to the email, which is here. I'm gonna show it to you in this email, the main Google account, and then I'm gonna click on that link here, and then I'm gonna click confirm. Once I confirm, it's gonna say confirmation successful. Confirmation success, and then I'm gonna come back here, and then I'm gonna click OK. Now I have the email set up. I'm gonna just do refresh. Okay, I'm gonna refresh here. Okay, as you see, the email, it's here. Okay, now what I have to do, next thing, you want to make sure it's on. You have to click on forward a copy. So after clicking on forward a copy of incoming mail to this email, I'm gonna click save. Okay, I'm gonna click save, and I'm gonna refresh. I'm gonna come to inbox here. Now what I want to do, I want to send an email to this email to check if it's sent to this email and then forwarded to this Google account, the main one. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it, see what's gonna happen. Okay, so see, we just sending email. Okay, test. Okay, email sent. Let's check. I'm gonna refresh, see if it's here. Okay, refresh again. Not there yet. Okay, the email, it's here. You can see the email, it's here. Okay, and if you come to this side too, you can see the email, it's here. It's sent. Say it's sent when. Let me just open it. Sent 8:27 minutes, and here also sent 8:27 minutes p.m. So you can see there are two different accounts. Okay, all right, this is how. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. In case you have a question, I would like to ask you to leave me a comment and give me your suggestion of the video you would like me to work on, and drop it here in the future. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to comment, and also hit that bell notification so that when I post a video, you will get it in the future. Thank you. Have a good day.